All right. So we're Gaia, and what is, well, so yeah. So what is Gaia? Gaia is a way of learning about your world while competing with your friends to see who can get the best score. So, if we want to switch over to...
You should escape out of the keynote.
Okay, so imagine if you're out in the world and you see an alligator. So you want to let your friends know that you've seen this alligator out in the swamp. Imagine you're in Painsbury or something. And so you just take a picture of it. A little bit closer. Closer.
Yeah, it's kind of dark in here, so this makes it.
If you don't need to, you can turn on the lights right there. First. There you go.
There we go.
You getting it?
I'm trying to get it. Hold on.
So it's put it on the table.
Yeah, put it on the table.
Yeah.
Oh, I got him plugged, dude.
I'm like anchored by the computer.
Okay.
You gotta be
Oh, sweet.
I just want to use my phone because it was working on my phone.
There we go.
You gotta twist it sideways.
Oh. Come on.
Display that on the camera.
There we go.
There we go. Okay. So if you can't see down here, 'cause it's pretty light, it says alligator down here. And so you get the tags. It uses the Clarify API to pull in the possible tags for that image. And so after you tag it, you can save it, which will go to your library. And then it'll pop up in here. So you can look at your images and pull up a Wikipedia article about them. And then it stores their location, so you can see like what part of the world you took these images at. And so like this is the really cool feature of it, because we can give this data to like some like company that's trying to gather, or a research team that's trying to gather data on like where certain animals have been located. And so they come to us and we give them the data that like, oh, there's like a bunch of alligators in this pond over here, so there must be something happening that like is attracting them there. So if you look here, we can, over here is where the bull gator statue, so we took a couple of photos over there. And then we have the one we just took here, and then a few we took in the library. So after every picture you take, you get a score based on the photo, based on how rare that animal is. So overall, I have 1,000 points, and then you can go to the leaderboards of all the other accounts that are playing Gaia. And so Kobe, I don't know why Kobe has my profile picture, but so yeah, so you can go through all the other accounts that have played on Gaia, and eventually we want to implement a sort of Instagram feed system where you can just look at all the photos that have been taken and posted to Gaia recently.
30 seconds.
Okay.
We started off this project as an idea that we had for if you were in the middle of the wilderness or you needed to see some information about either an animal that you didn't know or something that you wanted to learn more information about, be it a plant or some insect that you weren't exactly sure if it was dangerous or could be beneficial to you in some way if you were in a survival situation. We started off an idea thinking, what can we use with computer vision that would help us identify something that a person would normally not be able to learn on their own. And so from this, we were able to just come up with the idea as we tag it, and then we instantly just capture it kind of like a Pokedex and hold on to it from there. And from then, you can just hold on to everything that you've tagged. We keep all the information and location data for each tag. And we decided to gamify it because we needed like a way for users to get competitive. And when you have a competitive aspect to things is when users get the most